Alright guys, it's SNA Cookie bringing you a MLB 16 The Show video, and today I'm going to be discussing a glitch that I found, and you have to have two people. It could be you and your friend in Diamond Dynasty, and you'll get a lot of XP, a lot of stubs, and a lot of tickets. So what you're going to want to do is invite your friend to a Diamond Dynasty game and make it so there's no injuries or ejections, and you could do this to rack up innings so you could command a team or just get XP and stubs and all that. So you do that, and then you just leave the game on, but you have to make sure the power save settings, it will not turn off your PlayStation, or you only get like an hour's worth of game in. So when you do that, it will probably play. I don't know, my friend and I yesterday, we left our PlayStations on for like 5 hours, and it was like 200 innings that they got done. So that's 200 more innings towards the Brewers I got, because I had my whole team full of Brewers, because I'm trying to get the 96 Prince Fielder, because all I need to do is rack up the innings and embody them. And so you do that, and then you get a lot of stubs, XP, and tickets, and then that's pretty much it. But make sure the game is quick counts, no injuries, ejections, and your pitcher has to have a primary pitch of a fastball. And thanks for watching, guys.